start? Then I will start, sir. I will
Yeah.
just start.
Now you can start it.
A very good morning, all the children. I'm your maths teacher. Today, before beginning our math session, let's first remember the God. Okay, let's do the prayer first. Okay, all the children, please join your hands, close your eyes, sit straight, all the children. Join your hands, close your eyes. Let's do the prayer first. Okay, let's remember the God first. Okay, you have to repeat after me and put your mics on mute mode. Just repeat it after me. Let's start. Tvameva mata च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धु सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म मैं श्री गुरुदेव नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Okay, children. Your camera should be on, children. I need to see your faces. Okay, just mute your mic, but the camera should be on. Very good, children. Now, children, before starting the class, we will just do a little bit warm-up exercise. It's morning now. We need to do a little bit exercise every morning. Let's do a little bit warm-up exercise. Come on, just start. Bring your arms in the front. Bring your hands in the front. Yes. Bring your arms in the front. All the children. Very good, children. Very good. Now, just close all your fingers. Yes, close all your fingers. Arm should be straight. Close all your fingers. Let's move our this palm inward direction slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now slowly 5 times we will move it in the outward direction. Let us rotate outward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Now bring your hands down. Now just again bring your hands in the front, children. Yes, bring your hands in the front. Now lock your fingers. Lock your fingers. Now turn your hands. Turn your arm. Your arm should be on the camera side. Yes. Now stretch your arms up. Stretch your body. Very good, children. Very good. Stretch your body. Now move to your right side. I am going to move my right side. You have to move to your right side. Let's bend. Let's bend, children. Yes, very good. Now come in the front again. Straight. Very good. Now left side. To your left side. Very good, children. Left side. Now again be straight. Now one more time. Let's bend to the right side. Okay. Very good, children. Now straight. Now to your left side. Very good. Very good, children. Now put your hands down. Yes. Now just sit straight and let us rotate our neck. From right to left, we will do 5 times. And then from left to right, 5 times. Okay? Just do. Right to left. Let's start. You have to do with me, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Now from left to right, 5 times. Let's do it slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very good, children. Now bring your hands in the front. Rub it. Rub it. Make it warm. When we rub, see, it becomes a little bit hot, warm. Make it warm. Very good, very good. Very good, children. Rub it, rub it. Now slowly keep it on your eyes. Close the eyes, keep it on it. Keep it on your face. Rub your face. Are we all fresh? Are you all feeling fresh? Can we start our math session now? Nod your head and say yes or no.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Very good. Thank you, children. So let's start with our math session. Okay, children. I will start the math session, but topic's name right now I will not tell you. Okay. Just give me. Let's have a discussion on something. Children, as you know, right now we are having online classes. Yes. Like I am sitting in my house and I am taking the class, online class with you, right? Your online class. And even children, you are also sitting in your house, in your home, you are sitting. Yes, your parents are there and your whole family is there with you in your house. And you are also listening to me from your house through your mobile or through your laptop. Correct, children? Just if you will sit in your house, if you will just observe, just move your eyes in your house around. Just move around in your house only. Just look all the things. If you will look in your surrounding in your house, you will be able to see so many different things in your house. In your house, if you will see in the house, you will find cupboards, right? You can find table, you can find chair over there in the cupboard, you can find your notebooks, yeah, school books you can find. Then in your house you can also see bottles. Your mummy is keeping bottles. Okay, you carry bottles in the school. That bottle you can see. You can see some medicine boxes in your house or jars in your house, right? You can have your pencils in your house. Your pencils you are keeping, okay, around you when you study. Then other than this, children, you also find different things. Even your toys, children, in your house, if you look around somewhere, your toys must be also there. Yes or no? Different objects are around. There are so many objects in your house, right? But if you will observe, children, all these objects, then you will observe it very carefully, like cupboard, or if your ball is there, or your mother has kept vegetables or all fruits around, like tomatoes or brinjals she has kept, or she has kept oranges, apples in the basket in your house, or if table is there, on the table books are kept, or in the kitchen jars are there. If you will see, children, in the house, so many different objects and so many different things are available. But if you will look carefully, children, to all those things, what you will find that there are so many objects, but all those objects are having different shapes. Yes or no? All these objects are having different shapes. Does all these objects look alike, look same? No. Yes, they don't look same. They all look different. Like, see some of the examples I give you. Like in your house, you can find this type of box, children. This is a tiffin box, which even you also carry. Okay. See, I'm having this type of tiffin box with me. Then I'm having the medicine box with me. Okay, in my house, same way in your house also, you must be having all these types of things. I have a glue bottle with me. You also have the glue bottles in your house to stick the things. Then just see, I'm having a perfume bottle also with me. Yes or no? Now just see, I'm having one box. Okay, in this box, I got one gift with my from my brother. So this is this box I'm having. This is a medicine box which I'm having with me. Children, just see. And if you will go in the kitchen, children, you can also find this type of things your mummy is using. This is a funnel. This is a funnel. Your mummy must be using in the kitchen. If sometimes you go in the kitchen to help your mother or your parents, at that time you can see this type of funnel also in your house. Other than this, children, you can find in your house matchbox. Correct? You can find matchbox also. Then you can find books also, different books, your textbooks, your notebooks, or suppose your parents are reading some of the books, you can find those types of books also, this type of books. Okay, just here some objects are here with me. Pen is here. Even if you will see in the house, see tomatoes, brinjals are there. Okay, all these objects you see in your house around you. But when you will see, children, you will find all these objects are having different shapes. Okay, sometimes, children, when you go to any birthday party, your friend has invited you for any birthday. At that time, while enjoying that birthday, your friends give you, they give you a birthday cap, right? That cap is of this shape. Yes or no? Can you see? It looks somewhat like this. I am having a white color birthday cap. I don't have a colorful cap, right? This is a birthday cap, which you must also be having. Yes, yes, which you must be also having with you. So all these are different objects, children, which we have around us in our house, but all are having different shapes. All are not having the same shapes, right? So today's topic is about shape, to handle the shape, because just children listen carefully. These objects are what? These are solid objects. These all objects are solid objects. Solid means what? Which we can hold it, which we can hold with our hands properly. Okay, when you will hold, it will not run away from your hand. Okay, so these are all called as solid objects. Just see, you can hold this. You can hold the matchbox also in your hand. So children, today we are going to study about shapes. We are going to know about all these shapes. What are the different names of these shapes? All these objects are having some shape, but all these shapes are having their different names also. So today we are going to learn about the name of the different shapes first. Okay. So if you will see, children, in my hand I am having one ball, right? A sponge ball. You must be also having. Or otherwise you can see I am having one tomato also. These both are having the similar shape, right? So this shape is called as sphere. This shape is called as a sphere. Sphere shape. Very good, children. This shape is called as a sphere. Now, children, if you will observe this glue bottle, or if you will observe this by water bottles, you will find all these bottles are having the same shape, and their shape name is cylinder. Their shape name is, this shape is called as cylinder. Very good, children. It is called as cylinder. And if children, you will observe this one, this cap, birthday cap. It is called as a it is called as a cone. Yes, this is the cone shape. Yes, yes. Children, please mute your mic. Very good, children. Very good. Please mute your mic. If you will see this book, okay, this book, if you will see, and if you will see this medicine box, right, or if you will observe this box, all these boxes are having some similar shape. So this shape is called as a cuboid. This shape is called as a cuboid. Cuboid. Very good. Cuboid. Other than this, children, if you will observe this box, these are cube shapes. Cube shape. Right. Now, children, I'm going to show you some pictures, and let's have discussion on some more objects, okay, which are having this type of shape. Children, please mute your mic so that we will have a proper discussion. Okay. Okay, children, if you will see here, just a minute, children. Okay, children, if you will see here on the screen, so in math topic, today which topic we are studying? Let's handle geometric shapes. Let's handle geometric shapes. We can also call it as solid shapes. We can also call these shapes as solid shapes because we can handle it, we can hold it. Okay, so it is also called solid shapes, or we can also say geometric shapes. Let's look the first example. Okay, so here it is all the objects. All these objects are called as cone shape. See the first one, if you will see, children, it is a Conaco ice cream. You all, I think you love to eat Conaco ice cream when you go out with your parents to visit other places. That time you purchase this type of ice cream. And which shape this ice cream is having? Cone shape, right? And the second one is what? This is in red color, funnel. The funnel is also a cone shape. Funnel, yes, this funnel, if you will see, you can find it in your kitchen. Your mummy must be using this type of funnel to pour the oil in the bottle. Okay, so if you will see carefully, this funnel is also having cone shape. Now the third one, if you will see, it is used on the road. Okay, for the safety of the road, for the traffic safety of the road, the traffic police is using this so that the vehicle should run properly in one lane in one line. They should not break the lane and go, they should go to the another lane. So this is a traffic safety uh, object used for traffic safety purpose. Okay, and this is also having a cone shape. Okay, it is also having a cone shape. Then if next one, if you will see, it is a birthday cap, and you must be familiar with this. It is a birthday cap. You must have already worn it in your friend's birthday or in your own birthday. So it is also having cone shape. And just see the children, the next one, the next picture is Christmas tree. Whenever you draw Christmas tree or whenever you go to celebrate the Christmas festival, you find this type of Christmas tree. And if you will see the leaves, all the leaves they have arranged in such a way that they look in a cone shape. They look in a cone shape. Yes. Now let's see the next one. The second one is cylinder. The second one is cylinder. If you must have seen the battery in your house, which your parents are putting in the clock, right, or in the TV remote control, they are putting the cell. Okay, this battery, this is also having a cylinder. It's also having cylinder shape. And children, as we will see the second object, it's a mug. Okay, you like to drink your tea, coffee, or milk in the mug. If you will see carefully, it is also having the shape of cylinder. Yes, yes, correct. Now the third one, if you will observe carefully, a Coca-Cola cane. And what? Even this is also having the same cylinder shape. This is also having the cylinder shape. Okay. Now the next one, it is a gas cylinder. It is a gas cylinder. This is also having a cylinder shape. Okay. Now the next one is what? Water bottle. You carry it in the school, right, children? Even this water bottle is having this shape. Very good. Yes, even this is having a cylinder shape. Now, next one. Cube. Let's talk about cube. Let's learn about cube. So, the first object is what you see? A gift box. And you see, children, the here box, all the sides are looking similar. From all the sides, the shape is looking similar. So this shape is called cube. This shape is called, first one is a gift box, right? Green color gift box. It is a cube. Then second one, if you will see, children, it is a dice. You dice play snake and ladders game. You use this dice to play snake and ladder game on which dots are there, 2 dots, somewhere 4 dots, somewhere 3 dots. Okay, dots are printed over there so that you can play the game properly. And all the sides equal. All the sides from everywhere it looks similar. So this is called as a dice and it is having the shape of cube. You see the third picture, children? It is a box. It is a parcel box. See, when you give any order, online order, or you go to buy in the shop some object like watch, you can say, or small gift you want to give to your friend. At that time, they take a small box, cube box, and they put the things into it and they give you as a parcel, right? So if you will observe the brown color box over here, it is also having a cube shape. Yes. Now if you will see the next picture, fourth one, here you can see some objects on which the letters are printed, and this type of objects you must have seen in your nursery or in your pre-primary class where you must have been playing with the cube. You need to arrange all those cubes properly. So and all the objects are also having the shape of a cube. The objects are also having the shape of a cube. And another one, if you will see, this is a game, okay, which you love to play, right, where so many colors are there, and while playing you need to arrange all the colors at one side. If you want to want yellow, you have to arrange all the color in yellow. If you want orange, you have to arrange all the orange together at one side, and in this way you can play this game. And this object is also having which shape? Cube shape. It is also having the shape cube. Now the next one is what? Cuboid. Next one is cuboid. So even if you will, when you go outside and wherever if any construction work is going on, children, so you see there are the mason people, those who are building the walls, they use this brick. And if you see, children, this brick, it is having the cuboid shape. From observe it carefully, two opposite sides are equal. In cube, in the cuboid, children, two opposite sides are equal. So this brick is also having the cuboid shape. And children, the matchbox, as already I have also showed you the matchbox. If you will observe it carefully, the matchbox is having cuboid shape. Then next one is what, children? The book. A book. Book is also having a cuboid shape. As I have also showed you the book, this book is having the cuboid shape. The book is having cuboid shape. Now next picture is an oven. See, this is an oven. You must have seen this oven in the advertisement when people sell in the TV advertisement comes. You must have seen this oven over there. Otherwise, then you go to any electronic shop. Okay, you see this type of box kept over there, and this box is called as an oven. And which shape it is having? Cuboid shape. This oven is used to bake biscuits and cake, right?
Yes.
So this oven is also having the shape of cuboid shape. Correct. Next, then next one, children, just see a sponge. If you will go in the kitchen and if you will observe your parents when they wash the utensils, at that time after washing, if they are keeping the sponge aside, if you will observe it, you will come to know that this sponge is also having cuboid shape. Yes, your parents are using this sponge to clean the utensils properly. So even this sponge is having cuboid shape. Now the next one is what? Sphere. Sphere. If you see the first picture, it's the ball. In your house, you must be having this type of ball, or when you were a very small kid, that time also you must be having this ball, right? And if you will hold it and if you will observe it properly, it is a sphere shape. It is totally round. It is having a sphere shape. And the next one is what? Yellow color tennis ball, the small tennis ball which you see outside. The children are playing in the garden. Big children, elder children, your elder brother must be playing. Okay. Then this is a ball. They are playing with the bat and a ball. Right. At that time, this object is having a sphere shape. It is totally round. That's why its shape is what? Sphere. Now the third one, if you see, children, it is a woolen thread ball. It is a woolen thread ball. See, in the winter season, children, when you feel cold and your parents, they make a sweater for you. That time they bring woolen thread from the market. Okay, and when they bring woolen thread, what they do? They roll the woolen thread in a form of a big round, big ball, right? And it looks like this. After rotating it, after making a huge ball of the woolen thread, it looks like this, like a ball. And what shape it is again having? It is having the shape of a sphere. It is having the shape of a sphere. Now next one, the children just see laddus in different festivals. When it's festival, that time mom is preparing sweet laddus. And before eating the laddu, children, if you will observe it carefully, if you will hold the laddu in your hand and if you will observe it carefully, you will find that even this laddu is having the sphere shape. Even the laddu is having sphere shape.
Yes.
Now, the next one, children, if you observe carefully, it is an orange. It is an orange. And if you look carefully, children, this orange is also round. And its shape is also sphere. It is also having the sphere shape. Okay, children?
Okay.
Okay. So now, children, what
Yes.
we have seen up till now, we have seen the different shapes. First, we have seen the cone, yes, and then we have cylinder. We came to also know about cube. Then we also came to know about cuboid, right? Then sphere. Okay. Now, children, this was regarding the shape. This was all about the shape, right? But if you will listen carefully, children, now I will tell you some features of this shape. All these shapes which you observe, children. It can be this box which is having cylinder shape. It can be this different box which is having a different shape, cuboid shape. Okay. Or if you will see the birthday cap, it is in a cone shape. So in this way, we have discussed 5 different shapes, right? But now, children, we will study about its feature. Its features. Now all these shapes are having different features. Features are like what? Their edges, their corners, how many sides it has, how many faces it has, and whether this object can slide or they can roll. Okay, they can slide properly from one of the surface, or they can just be stable. So all these are different features of this objects. But today we are going to study only two features, about their edges, about their corners. Edges and corners we will study, children. Okay. Now children, you will observe carefully this box. Okay, this is my tiffin box. In this way, even you must be also having tiffin box or jar in your house, right? Observe carefully this box, children. It is having a cylinder shape. It is having a cylinder shape, and edges and corners. See this carefully. This part is called as an edge. This part of the box is called as an edge. This is a sharp part. Okay, it is called as an edge. This is the first edge, and below this is also the another edge. This is the second edge. And is this box having any sharp pointed part? Is this box having sharp pointed part? No. So it does not have any corner. If any object is having sharp pointed part, that sharp pointed part is called as a corner. So here this box is not having any sharp pointed part. So it is having first one edge, two edges, but zero corner. Two edges, but zero corner. But because it does not have any sharp point. Same way, if you will observe, children, if I will talk about this bottle, this is also having the cylinder shape, right? Because here it is curved. It is totally curved. And you will see here, this is the first edge. And this top part, this is the second edge, children. This is the second edge. It means the cylinder has two edges, but it does not have any sharp part. Okay, that's why it does not have any corner. So if anyone will ask you about cylinder, how many edges and how many corners it has, you have to say it has two edges, zero corners. And zero corners. Very good, children. Now, if you will see, children, about this birthday cap, it is having a cone shape. The shape of this cap is cone shape. And if you look properly, children, carefully, this cone is having one edge. Below is the
one corner, zero edge.
Here it is having a
One
sharp
edge.
point. It is having a sharp point. So it is having one corner, one edge, and one corner. So cone is having how many edge? How many corner, children? It has one edge and one corner.
One corner.
Edge and one corner. Very good. Now, if you will see, children, this box, if you see this box carefully, children, this box, at that time, you will find that it is having a cuboid shape. Or children, you see this box, even this box is also having a cuboid shape, right? So let's, children, let's count.
Corner and 12 edge.
Wait a minute, children, let's discuss it together, okay? So, this box, let's count its edges and corners. So, let's count together. This is called the edge. It is a sharp part, okay, of this side. All the sides are having some sharp parts. So let us touch it and count it. This is first edge, okay. Then second edge is 1, 2, 3, and then 4 edge. Now let's see the other two sides also. Let's see this side first. So here we stopped 4. Now count forward after with me. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Here we have stopped till 8. But what is remaining now, children? Let's count this also. So after 8, let's count here. 9, 10, 11, and 12. It means the void has 12 edges. It has 12 edges. Now let's count its corner, the sharp point of the cuboid. Let's count it. These are the sharp points now. So let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So this cuboid is having 8 corners. This cuboid is having 8 corners. 12 edges and 8 corners. Someone will ask you, children, tell me Cuboid has how many edges and how many corners? You should
12 edges and 8 corners.
corners. Correct. 12 edges and 8 corners. Very good. Now let's teach children about the cube. Okay, cube. Cube and cuboid look little bit similar, but here the length is bigger, and here all the sides, from all the sides, the faces are same. Side are having the same side, right? So let's count how many edges and how many corners this cube has. Let's count together, children. Here also let's count the edges first. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
4,
Then 5,
5,
7,
7,
8.
8,
Over. Now side edge. 8 edges over. Now count forward. 9,
9, 10,
11, and
11, 12,
it means
12,
has
12
edges. Correct, children. The cube has 12 edges.
edges
Right.
and 8 corners.
Yes. Let's count the corners also, children. Yes, let's count the corner also together. Let's count the pointed part. The sharp points are called the corners. Let's count it together, children. 1 corner,
1,
corner,
2,
3 corner, 4 corner. Another side. We are counting now. 5 corner, 6 corner,
6, 1,
7 corner, and 8 corner. Right. So
12 edges and 8 corners.
very good, children. So the cube has 12 edges and 8 corners. Very good. The cube has 12 edges and 8 corners. Yes, children. Very good. Now, one more object is remaining now, children. Let's just see that one. Next object is shape.
0 edges,
What's the
0
shape?
corners.
Name of the shape?
0
Sphere.
edges, 0 corners.
Yes. This is the sphere, children. If you will observe it very carefully, can we find any side, any sharp part? No.
0 edges, 0 corners.
It does not have any edges. It has 0 edges. It does not have any sharp edge. So it has 0 edges. Anyway, children, if you will touch the ball, it does not have any pointed part also. It does not have any pointed
0 edges,
sharp
0
part.
corners.
So it has 0 corners. So if anyone will ask you, children, about the sphere, about your ball, does the ball have any edge or any corner? You should say it has 0 edges, 0 corners. Correct. It has no edges and it does not have any corners also. In your house also, children, if you will see your own ball, you will touch it and feel it, you will find that it does not have any edge, it does not have any corner also. So if anyone will ask you, children, just tell me how many edges and how many corners does the sphere has, or your ball has?
0 edges and 0 corners.
Correct. You should say 0 edges and 0 corners. No edges and no corners. Yes, very good, children. Now, children, whatever we have studied regarding the objects, name of the objects, what are its name, and how many edges and how many corners does this shape have? Let's have a discussion. Let's have a small revision of. Okay. Now, see, children, carefully. Let's handle geometric shapes. Let's again revise whatever we have studied. Okay, all these are solid shapes. All these are solid shapes. We can hold all these shapes in our hand. This first one you will see, children. Cone. It is a cone. And you will see the spelling. Let's see the spelling. Now let's see the spelling also, children. Huh? The name of the cone is, the spelling of the cone is C-O-N-E, cone. What is the spelling?
C-O-N-E, cone.
Cone. Very good. Cone. Now, if you will see the second one, children, it is having the shape of a cube. Cube. Having the shape of a cube. And if you will, let's see the spelling and read it. C-U-B-E, cube.
C-U-B-E.
Cube. Very good. C-U-B-E, cube. Now, if you see the third picture, children,
Sphere.
Sphere. Very
Yeah.
good. Sphere. And let's read the spelling correctly.
Sphere.
Sphere. Sphere. Sphere. Sphere. Very good. Now, if you see the fourth picture, children, this object is having cylinder shape. We have already seen the bottle, blue bottle, perfume bottle, right, children? The medicine bottle we have seen. We have seen the water bottle, right? We have seen the blue bottle. All these are having the cylinder shape. And here, the spelling. Let's read the spelling. Cylinder. Yes, cylinder. Cylinder. Okay.
Cuboid.
You will see the next subject. It is cuboid. We have this box, right? Matchbox.
Cuboid.
Type of box. These are having cuboid shape. And now let's see the spelling of cuboid.
Cuboid. Cuboid. Cuboid.
Yes, children. Very good. Now, children, let's revise it. Okay, let's revise edges and corners. So, if you will see the first picture is of a birthday cap. It is a cone. Cone. Okay, and if you see properly, children, how many edges and how many corner it has? It has one edge
And one corner.
one edge. It is having and it is having one
Corner.
correct.
Sharp tip.
Cone has one edge and one corner.
Corner.
Our next one
One and one
Okay,
corner.
this type of drum, you must have seen in your house. Mummy is keeping water or mummy is keeping the grains in the in this type of box.
Yes.
It's having a cylinder shape. And you see
Cylinder shape.
how many corners it has? It has two edges.
Edges and zero corner.
Zero corners. Correct, children. It has two edges and
Zero corners.
yes, children. Very good. Now, if you will see the children, the next one is a cube. Cube. Okay, a cube box.
Cube has 12 corners and 8 corners.
It has 12 edges.
12 edges and 8 corners.
Yes, 12 edges and 8 corners. Let's see the next one, children. Cuboid. We have
Cuboid.
cuboid.
Cuboid also 12 edges and 8 corners.
Yes, very good, children. Cuboid is also having 12 edges.
12 edges and 8 corners.
Yes, correct. So remember, children, the cube and cuboid. And cuboid, they look different, but they have the same edges and same corners. Both are having 12 edges and both are having 8 corners. See, there's 8 corners. Okay, the cube is from all the side, it looks in the same way. But cuboid, from one side it is long and from another side it is short. Okay, now if one side is long, another side is short, it is cuboid. And if all this, from all the sides, if you will see, it is looking similar, it is called as a cube. Okay, this is the difference between cube and cuboid. But both are having 12 edges and 8 corners. Yes, children. Now, if you see, children, the next one is ball, sphere shape. So, this ball is having how many edges, how many corners?
Zero corners.
The sphere has 0 edges and 0 corners. It does not have any edge, it does not have any corner. It has 0 edge and 0 corner. Yes, children. Very good. So now, children, I will show you some of the pictures, some of the objects I will show you, and whoever's name I will take, that child should give me the answer. Okay. Now, Vivansh Ghosh, come on the screen. Vivansh Ghosh, yes?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Now just give me the answer. Okay. Just see, children, I'm having here one bottle in my hand. Okay, what is the shape of this bottle?
Two edges.
No. First tell me what is the name of the shape?
Cylinder.
Very good. Cylinder. Now just tell me how many edges and how many corner it has. How many edges? First tell me how many edges.
Two edges.
Two edges. First edge and second edge. Two edges it is having. Very good. And how many corner? Does it have any sharp point?
No.
So it has any corner?
Two edges, zero corners.
Zero corners. Very good, children. Very good, Vivansh. 12, two edges and zero corners. Very good. Very good. Now, Aditi Gadam is there? Gadam? Aditi Gadam? Yes, please, Aditi, come on the screen. Come on the screen, dear. Yes? Okay. Yes, yes. Just see, children. Aditi, just see here. Okay. Ganga Jaka, just give me the answer. Ganga Jaka. Give me the answer. Which shape is this? Ganga Jaka?
Cone.
Cone shape. Very good. Very good. Cone shape. And how many edge and how many corner this cone is?
One edge and one corner.
Very good, Aditi. Very good. One edge and one corner. It has one edge and one corner. Very good. Correct answer you gave. Very good. Now, the next one. Okay. Now, who will come? Gayatri Shelar? Yes. Can you give me the answer? Which shape it is? Which shape is this?
Cuboid.
Cuboid. Very good. Correct. It is a cuboid shape. And now can you tell me how many edges and how many corners it has?
8 edges and 8. 12 corners.
Very good. Very good. Yes, Gayatri Shelar. Correct. It has 12 edges and 8 corners. It has 12 edges and 8 corners. Let us count together, children. Don't get confused. Please don't get confused. Let's count together, children. 1 edges. These are the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now from the another side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now from the next side, children. After 8, we have finished 8 here. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this cuboid has, children, 12 edges and 8 corners. Let's count the corners also. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Correct. 8 corners. So 12 edges and 8 corners. Very good. Very good. Now, Mr. Khatri, Mujahid Khatri, please come on the screen. Please come on the screen. Mansoor Khatri, please come on the screen. Yes. If you will see here on the screen, children.
Yes.
Yes. Here.
0
Which shape it is having?
0 edges, 0 corner.
It is a which shape it is having? First, tell me the name of the shape.
Circle.
Is it circle? First, we are talking about solid shape. Solid shape.
Solid.
Solid shape. What is the name of the shape? Like cone, cylinder, or sphere.
Sphere.
Sphere. Correct. It is a sphere. It is a sphere. And how many edge? How many corner it has?
0 edges, 0 corner.
It has 0 edges and 0 corner. Very good. Correct answer, children. Correct answer. Now, if you will see, children, the next object is this one. Ganga Jaka, please give me the answer. Ganga Jaka. I want the answer from Ganga Jaka. She has not got the chance. Let her get also chance. Ganga Jaka. Yes.
Hello.
Yes. This is which shape? This is which shape? From one side, it looks similar. It is a shape of a cube. Correct. Cube shape. Correct. And how many edges? How many corners it has?
12 edges and 8 corners.
Very good, children. Very good. It has 12 edges, 12 corners. Let's count this also together so that if any child is having any confusion, any doubt, again it will get clear. Let's count together, children. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now from this side. 5, Then 8. Okay. Now from the another side, let's count. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this cube has 12 edges and 12 edges and 8 corners. Let's count the corner also, children. 1, 2,
3,
4,
5,
6, 7,
7,
and 8.
8.
So this object, this cube is having 12 edges and 8
Corner.
corners. Yes, children. Very good, children. So today we have finished the topic solid shapes. We have learned about the name of these all different shapes. We came to know about 5 solid shapes. We came to know about cone, cylinder, sphere, cube, and cuboid.
Cuboid,
Came to know about cone, sphere,
cube,
cube, cuboid, and sphere. Okay, 5 name of the shapes we came to know. We also came to know about, we also learned about what? The edges and corners. We learned 2 features. The 2 features what we have learned are edges and corners of all these different shapes. Now small worksheet is there, children. Let's solve it together. Now children, if you will see carefully over here, now children, if you will see over here, match the following A column and B column, right? A column and B column. In the A column, children, see different objects are having. There are different objects. There is a cone. There is a box which you play. There a football is there. A red color object is there. Okay, bottle is there. Jar is there. Then again, the last one, if you will see, there is one box also, brown color box. And in the second column, if you see, children, there are the name of these shapes. First one I will read you. It is a cylinder. Second one is cone. Third name is cuboid. Fourth is cube. And the last one is sphere. Right? So now let children try to match it out correctly. Okay. Now the first shape is what, children? Cone. If you will, can we find here? First number is cylinder. Second is
second number is
match birthday cap. The cone with this spelling, correct spelling, C-O-N-E, cone. Yes. Now the second one, if you will see, children, carefully, which shape it is having?
cube.
Cube shape. Let's find the spelling over here. The first one is cylinder, second is cone, third is cuboid. Let's find where is the cube. Yes. Cube. So we need to match this cube with this correct spelling, cube. Right? If you see, children, the next one, this object is what?
Cylinder.
Very good. Correct. It is a cylinder. Now in the B column, let's find its spelling. First,
One cylinder.
which is the correct spelling? Cylinder. Which spelling? First one, second one, third one?
First one.
First one. Correct. So this is the correct spelling. So we have to match this box with the correct spelling, cylinder. And now if you will see, children, the next one is box. Which shape this box is having?
Cuboid.
Okay, this shape is cuboid. And the correct spelling is this one. Okay, the third one. Okay, first, second, third, cuboid. Right? Yes. So we have to match this box with cuboid. Okay, children, I have missed something. I haven't asked about the ball, football. Yes or no? So this ball is having which shape? It is having the shape of a sphere. And where is the spelling of the sphere? Where is the spelling of the sphere?
S-P-H-E-R-E.
S-P-H-E-R-E. Here, the last one is the spelling of a sphere. Okay, so we have to match this ball and correct spelling sphere. Correct. Correct, children. Very good. Very good. You gave me the correct answer. Now, children, the next assignment, the next worksheet. Observe the following objects and write the name of their shapes. You have to observe the given objects properly and you have to write their name of the shapes in the wait a minute, children. Wait a minute, children.
Cylinder,
Here in the bracket, I have given the name of the shape.
cuboid, and sphere.
This is sphere. Second one is cone. This is cube. The next one is cylinder, right? And the next last one is cuboid. First one is what, children?
Cylinder.
This bottle is having cylinder shape. Spelling is this one, na? Cylinder. Yes. We can write this spelling over here. Cylinder. Now next one is
Cone.
cone. Very good. So we can write the spelling of this cone here. Okay. The next one is
Cube.
cube. This is the shape of a cube. So from here, we can find the name of the cube. Correct spelling? Yes. So we can write this correct spelling cube over here. Now, if you will see, the wooden ball. It is a wooden ball. Which shape it is having? Sphere. So find the correct spelling over here. First number. Correct, children. Very good. Give me correct answer. So here, the spelling will come out. S-P-H-E-R-E. Sphere. The last object, if you see, children, is a box.
Cuboid.
Last one. First, second,
Last
third, fourth, last number, last one. Correct. It is having the correct spelling of cuboid is C-U-B-O-I-D. You can write over here, children. Okay. Very good, children. Very good. You have given me all the correct answers. And now whatever assignments, whatever PPT we have seen, worksheet I have shown you, okay, that all things I will share you. At that time you can solve it. Okay, fine, children. Now, have you understood the topic, children, about shapes, its edges and corners? Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Teacher.
Okay. Thank you. So we will stop our topic over here.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Bye, teacher.
Wait a minute, children. Wait a minute.
Bye, teacher.
Wait a minute, children.
Bye, teacher.